Welcome to Compassionate Care. If you're caring for someone with dementia, finding the right activities can make a real difference in daily life. Today we'll explore practical ways to create engaging moments that work in real homes with real families. You'll discover how to set up activity spaces, adapt familiar tasks, and recognize what brings meaningful engagement. Activities aren't just about keeping busy, they're about creating connection and purpose. When someone participates in familiar tasks or enjoys simple creative projects, they maintain abilities while finding moments of success. Activities help structure the day, provide opportunities for interaction, and create natural ways to share time together. Setting up an activity station creates natural opportunities for engagement. Choose a comfortable spot with good lighting where materials are easily visible and within reach. A puzzle already started, a simple craft project ready to continue, or sorting activities waiting to begin. These invite participation while supporting independence. The goal is creating an inviting space that encourages natural engagement throughout the day. Activity boxes offer a portable approach to organized engagement. Each box serves a specific purpose, perhaps one for reminiscing with photos and familiar objects, another with sensory items like textured materials and scented cards, and a third with simple creative supplies. A music box might include small instruments, song sheets, and recorded favorites. A nature box could contain safe items to sort like smooth stones, dried flowers, or interesting pine cones. A memories box might hold family photos, postcards, and familiar items from past hobbies. Label boxes clearly and keep them easily accessible. These collections make it simple to bring appropriate activities to wherever your loved one feels most comfortable. Rotate items periodically to maintain interest while keeping some familiar favorites constant for comfort and confidence. Consider how the environment affects engagement. Keep frequently used items at eye level and within easy reach. Use clear containers so contents are visible. Group similar items together based on type of activity. Multiple activity spaces throughout the home, a reading corner, craft table, or music area, provide different opportunities for engagement while maintaining organization and safety. Movement naturally blends into daily activities without feeling like exercise. Walking to check the mail, reaching while sorting items, or standing at a counter to fold towels. These simple actions maintain strength and balance while serving a purpose. Success comes from incorporating movement into regular routines rather than creating separate exercise sessions. Focus on activities that feel meaningful and natural within daily life. Creative activities offer expression without pressure. Simple painting with washable materials, working with clay, or arranging flowers allows artistic expression at any ability level. Keep materials visible but not overwhelming, perhaps just one or two choices at a time. Watercolor painting with large brushes on dampened paper creates flowing colors easily. Modeling clay or Play-Doh provides satisfying tactile experience while creating simple shapes. Collage making with pre-cut pictures or nature items offers creative choices without requiring precise movements. Even organizing colored items into patterns becomes a creative activity. Focus stays on the process rather than the result. Having supplies ready and organized makes it easier to begin when interest occurs, while keeping cleanup manageable. Display creative projects where they can be seen and appreciated, celebrating each person's unique expression. Sensory activities engage through touch, smell, and sound. A sensory box might include soft fabrics, smooth stones, and textured cards for sorting. Kitchen activities provide natural sensory experiences, kneading dough, sorting fruits, or smelling fresh herbs. Simple household items like dried pasta, warm towels, or textured ribbons create engaging sensory moments. In spring, try sorting flower petals or fresh herbs. Summer brings opportunities with sand and water activities. Fall offers leaves and pine cones, while winter suggests soft scarves and warm beverages. Creating themed sensory stations, perhaps a texture board with different materials, or a scent station with safe, familiar smells like coffee beans or vanilla, provides focused engagement. Adds another sensory layer, especially familiar tunes that connect with memories. These activities often work well during restless periods, providing focused attention while creating comfort. Music creates unique opportunities for connection. Beyond listening, music can inspire gentle movement, encourage singing, or spark memories. Create playlists for different times of day. Upbeat familiar tunes for morning activities, calmer selections for afternoon. Songs from young adult years often spark the strongest response. Traditional hymns or cultural songs frequently remain meaningful throughout the journey. Simple instruments like drums, bells, or shakers invite active participation. Even tapping or clapping to rhythm creates engagement. Watch for subtle responses, perhaps toe tapping, humming, or changes in expression. Even in later stages, rhythm and melody reach emotional connections when other forms of communication become challenging. Music can also help establish daily routines and ease transitions between activities. Build activities around past interests and abilities. Someone who enjoyed cooking might organize recipe cards, arrange kitchen items, or help with simple food prep like stirring or arranging ingredients. A former office worker might sort papers by color, organize folders, or arrange items in sequence. A gardener might care for indoor plants, arrange flowers, or sort seeds and garden supplies. Those who enjoyed crafts could sort materials by color, arrange fabric swatches, or help organize craft supplies. Watch for signs an activity needs adjustment, perhaps breaking tasks into smaller steps or simplifying instructions. Start with familiar motions, then modify as needed to maintain success and satisfaction. Remember that even brief engagement with familiar activities helps maintain connection to lifelong interests. Group activities need thoughtful planning to work well. Small groups allow comfortable participation without overwhelming stimulation. Looking through photos together, simple board games with adapted rules, or working on large piece puzzles lets everyone contribute at their own level. Even sharing a snack becomes a social activity when presented thoughtfully. Nature-based activities like flower arranging or leaf sorting work well in groups, allowing different levels of participation. Music sessions can include both active participants and quiet listeners. Craft projects can be organized, so some people sort materials while others create. These shared experiences create natural conversation while respecting different abilities. Watch for ways to include everyone while maintaining comfort and engagement. Watch for signs showing when activities work well. A smile, reaching for materials, or increased attention all suggest good engagement. Some people enjoy active projects in the morning, while afternoons suit quieter activities. Notice how engagement changes with different types of activities. Perhaps crafts hold attention longer than sorting tasks, or music brings more response than quiet activities. When interest fades, try changing the setting, simplifying the task, or offering a different type of engagement. These observations help guide choices for future activities while maintaining comfortable routines. Setting up for success means making activities easily accessible. Keep frequently used items where they can be seen and reached comfortably. A partially completed puzzle might invite engagement, while clearly arranged craft materials suggest creative possibilities. Offer simple choices, perhaps selecting between two activities or choosing colors for a project. These thoughtful preparations encourage natural participation while maintaining dignity. Activities aren't about performance, they're about creating moments of connection. Each smile during a shared task, each moment of focused engagement, each successful completion of even the simplest activity adds quality to daily life. Notice those small victories, successfully sorting a few items, humming along to a favorite song, or showing interest in a familiar activity. These experiences build meaningful bonds while maintaining abilities. Beyond all the activities explored today, what matters most is the connection they create. Every gentle interaction, every shared moment, every understanding smile brings meaning to the day. It lives in love.